Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine building income streams that earn money even while you sleep. Today, I'll show you 5 passive income ideas you can start in 2025, even if you're broke. First up, print on demand. Create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without holding any inventory. Platforms like Redbubble or Teespring handle everything: production, shipping, and customer service. Next, digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or courses online. You create it once and sell it over and over with zero extra work. Sites like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy to get started. Third, dividend stocks. Even small investments can grow into passive cash flow over time. Apps like Robinhood and Fidelity let you start with just a few dollars. Fourth, YouTube automation. Launch a faceless YouTube channel, like the one you're watching right now. Outsource video creation and earn from ads, sponsors, and affiliate links. Finally, Airbnb room rental. If you have an extra bedroom, you could be sitting on a passive income goldmine. Short-term rentals can outperform long-term leases by 2 to 3 times. Which passive income idea would you start first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Horizon. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.